Ore te whānau, kei konei mātou, kei te kaha, kei tūkaki marae for our very first Ka Hao tira waiata wānanga.
What we've got the kids starting off this weekend is teaching them our first 3 waiata in the album.
We're usually the ones being taught. This time round, we're the ones teaching, and it feels sort of pressuring. Well, like my auntie says, pressure makes diamonds in Painami.
So I say, let's just make those diamonds in Pounamu and get into it, shall we? Tēnei te mihi kia koutou. Mo te hea piri tonu mai ki te kaupapa. We titled the song, but they're like ours, they're your fellas, they're all of our songs. They're ours. Ka Hao.
Nei rā te tuku mihi ki ngā tuakana, te rōpū rangatira, mo tā rātou mahi. And my outcome for today will be to know the song halfway at least.
It's just awesome to see that everybody's just so pakari and keen.
We'll stand up and give it a go to where we've learned past the second verse, just the Kotahi ai, Kotahi ai. They had told us previously that we were taking over, but it was still like as overwhelming, I think, for myself, because I was like, oh my gosh.
My thoughts on it being handed to Jamie, Rua and Kaya. I think that is a huge achievement for them. So far today they've proved that they know what they're doing and how they want everything to be set out. 35, that's the coolest song ever. Because we're all East Coast born, and so that's kind of our jam. Because we all know that it's true. Going to Ruatoria for the pies. Best part ever, State Highway 35.
Yay, finally I actually get to see the mic because I have been so busy. So this is the first time that I've actually come to a full Ka Hao tira waiata wānanga. I don't have a favourite waiata, but I do like tonight. Tonight. I love that waiata. So that will be one of my favourites.
I'll be right there if you need me tonight.
Hello, Zan. Do you fellas reckon you can explain tonight? I think it's about coming into the light out of the darkness tonight.
Son, how are you feeling about making an album?
I already feel famous now, if I'm being honest now. Yeah, how do you fellas feel about that?
Yeah, pretty mean. Yeah, it does push us quite a bit, but it also motivates us to be able to do better.
No, don't be afraid. We will find our way through the dark.
Doing an album now feels a bit rereke because initially we were just doing a tour and now we've sort of expanded into doing a full album. Now that we get to do our own Ka Hao album with our songs that we wrote, there's something quite magic about it. So I love it. We're on the road.
Kei Te Kaha, e awhi nui o ana.
Kia ora hika nau mai, haere mai. That was my Eden. It's my fantasy.
Well, that's also te whānau. We had a main weekend here in Te Kaha, e tūkaki marae. A weekend has come to an end. What do you think?
Yeah, I think it's coming to an end very fine. Boys are just picking up the tables and we're off back to Gizzy to catch our 4:30 flight. You know, don't want to be late.
No, not at all, not at all.
Well, what are we doing here, really?
Let's go.